Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to transfer file from realme mobile phone to another device. Okay, any device, you can select any device. Okay, not compulsory that it should be Samsung or it should be the Poco, nothing. Okay, any device you can select. So watch. Before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, realme setting. Okay, then right now you have to move on this Samsung another device mobile phone setting. Sorry, don't click display. Then move on this connections, and here to right now move on this connected devices to move on Bluetooth. So turn on Bluetooth. Then right now after that click on pair new devices, realme. Then here it's turning on. Okay, you have to wait for a moment. So that is to Samsung. Okay, so let's see available device. It's searching. Okay, it's just scanning it. Just click on Bluetooth middle, scan this one too. Here it has one pit one. Now this has the Misa F12. I put my name. Okay, for the Samsung, click on it. So it's pairing right now. Okay, the another device, Samsung, Poco, Oppo, any mobile phone. Okay, it should be. So right now let's pair it together, and here to pair. Okay, after helping move on pair, now let's allow. Click on allow. Now let's move on to share some pic. Okay, wait. So let's move on gallery. Then here you can select any picture. Okay, suppose I select this. Then here you can see this is the share option. Click on this share option. Here is the Bluetooth option. Click on it. When you click on Bluetooth, you're going to find this Misa F12. So click here. After that, here will come the accept option like this. So click on accept. So here the now it's transferring, and here it's receiving. Okay, so you can transfer the file, photo, video like this. Okay, through Bluetooth, and it will connect only near the devices. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.